Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Andrea premium espresso machine. We did a little bit of work with this machine. We basically had to replace the water pump, and for this machine it takes a little bit of work to repair it. To replace it, as we need to disassemble the entire case, get inside the machine. Once you get into the inside the machine, you have to remove this panel that is attached to the base from here and from the bottom as well, with two screws. So it takes a little bit of time to get that water pump in there, but this is the older one, and as you can see, this is from 2012, so it definitely has been working for quite a while. And yeah, it was definitely time to replace it. What else we did? We also gave this machine a nice tune-up, replacing the shower gasket of the machine that you see right here. And this gasket, well, you can see it just crumbles. It's not even a gasket anymore. So it definitely needs to be replaced. Gaskets are supposed to be to definitely not crumble and to be, rubbery. So yeah, definitely need to be replaced. We also replaced the shower screen. You can see some coffee buildup in there. And we also descaled this machine. Took a while for the descaler to remove as much scale as possible from this machine. There was a lot of scale buildup in there. We removed from the hot water one, steam one, as well as from the heat exchanger of the machine. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. So hopefully I pick up the right grain settings of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. There's a little bit of infusion in there and raise. Pressure going all the way up. It's going up to 9-10 bars. I tampered a bit too hard, but we can see a little bit of flow coming out of the spurs of the spouts. We're gonna be able to have a nice espresso shot coming out of the machine. A little bit on the longer side, as like I say, I probably tampered a little bit too hard. I didn't tamper probably uniformly either, so I should have done that a little bit better. Increase the quantity of coffee and tamper just a little bit less harder. But as you can see, nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. You can see some liquid on top of the water filter, so that means that I was definitely very well tamped. Water flow of the machine, as you can see, is nice steady stream coming out of the group head, working perfectly fine. Steam, having an excellent pressure. Really good pressure coming out of the steam one, no leaks or anything, and very good temperature. I am definitely burning my hand right now. Working really great, and the hot water one, as you can see, but I'm not touching that. Very hot, working excellent, really good flow, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Andrea Premium by Quick Meal, working once again. So thank you so much for the premium Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.